Did it feel a little bit different coming in cold?
No, not really. It was the same for me. I'm energetic in either way it goes. When I come in the game, I'm ready. So, I just want to come in. I want to help bring that energy on the defense.
But you guys almost wish that you hadn't had a couple of wide open jumpers at the start, something to get you a little bit more in the flow, less thinking.
But I feel like my defense always gets me going. Unfortunately, I didn't make my two first shots, but my defense is definitely what builds my confidence.
What was the difference with the Celtics defense in the second half from the first half?
We were able to, first of all, we went small. We were able to guard the pick and rolls, and I feel like that helped us out a lot.
Are you looking to score when you score, points in buckets like that?
No, not really. I'm looking to be aggressive, but I'm taking what the defense can do.
With you, Rondo, and Dale on the court, how do you feel like you guys gel?
I feel like we dealt very good. We were able to spread the floor with the small lineup, and we were able to get Rondo on pick and roll, which is his strength, and we were able to get open.